1, 2, 3, go!
That's the sail ready, Captain ZIGBY.
Oh, it's very big.
Mango-normous!
Are you sure it'll float?
As sure as I'm stripy. Oh. The boat is ready to set sail. Where's Birdie?
There he is.
I just had to get a few things.
What's in the bag? Another life vest?
No, that'd be silly. It's my blankie.
And the mop?
A clean ship's a good ship.
Come aboard, Birdie. We're ready to set sail.
I named this ship the SS Vicky after me, or SS Celine after me. Oh, I know, the Mango Queen.
We're not moving.
You didn't hit it hard enough. Let me try. Huh?
We'll bring you back a mango, Zara!
Yay!
A mountain of mangoes!
Double yay! Bye! Did someone say a mountain of mangoes? We like mangoes!
Full sail ahead, shipmates! Seaman McMeer, can you give me a report from up there?
Aye, Captain. Oh, wow! I see something really amazing.
The mango tree?
No, my toes, and they're really, really big. Hey, and I can see your house, ZIGBY. Oh, and a boat full of monkeys.
A boat full of monkeys?
Mango! 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 Mango!
They're after the mangoes! Full speed ahead, shipmates! Monkeys ahoy!
Oh no, they're overtaking us.
Nice day for mango picking! Mango! Mango!
We need to go faster. We need another sail.